In this video, I'll quickly show you how you can convert the color image into black and white in Photoshop. So it's very simple trick. All you have to do is that select the layer where your image is, and once you select that layer, you just go down here and you will see this adjustment layer button, that circle, and then just click here, and then you will see this black and white option. So click on that, and you can see now the image has been converted into black and white. And not only that, you can also adjust the settings as well. For example, if you want to add some red shade into that, so you can do it like that way. So basically you can change the shades as well. So if you want the tint, you can just select this checkbox, and there are a lot of other colors that you can adjust as well. So you can see there are various filters you can apply here. That's it. Thanks for watching.